Okay, here we're going to be repairing a floor crack repair. This is about a 6-inch crack in the bottom of a shower pan. So first thing you're going to do is take a 5/16 drill bit, and then you're going to drill out each end of the crack. Now the way showers are designed is normally there's a support board built in there, and then there's the subfloor, and there is generally going to be a gap between at least one of those, if not both. So what we recommend is you drill some holes down all the way to the subfloor and some holes just through to the support board. That way when you pump the foam it gets in both layers appropriately. If you have any questions on that, we do a kind of an instructional video about level 3 repairs and about drilling the holes, where we kind of diagram out what the shower looks like and what you're actually drilling into. Don't be afraid to do this. We're going to repair those holes with the products in the next steps. So just drill the holes, and if you feel like there is a gap between both layers, then just drill some holes all the way down to the subfloor and some holes just through to the support board. Then pump your foam, and what you like to see is it snake out like that. That is a good sign. That means its easiest path to escape or expand is back through the hole, which means you've got good coverage underneath there. This one didn't take a whole lot, but we offer you 4 cans in our kits. That's enough to do most level 3 floor crack repairs that are 6 inches or smaller. After you do this, you'll want to let it set up for about 2 hours, and then you'll come back. Don't mess with it while that stuff's wet. It'll just be sticky. Come back and you can pop it off.